Alright, in this video I'm going to go over two papers that I'm going to upload for you that we will talk about in class when we next meet. But these papers will essentially tell you where the terminators are. So you have an assignment to find these terminators, and these papers actually will help you find them. Finding the terminators can be difficult, and so essentially I want you to use the tools and learn to find ones essentially we already know exist, and form an opinion. Now when we scroll down to this one, this is where this paper believes the terminators exist. And you can run the program called mfold, and you can do the analysis using Eugene and dot plots, and you can see if you believe that what this paper is saying is true. So they're telling you exactly where you should find it, and the sequence and everything that you need to find these terminators. So this one is the A terminator. That's what this paper mainly talks about. It does talk about some of these regions here between, say, Z and Y, and Y and A, and what this might mean. And of course what that means is there's a terminator here and there's a terminator here, it looks like. Not to mention one maybe here at the beginning. It's hard to figure out exactly where they are directly without the computer, because these just don't line up visually the way we would like them to in our simple example. So you will need to look over this paper, and we will talk about it in class when we meet again. But you should read this one, and I will upload it for you to read and be ready to talk about it in class. I'm not going to be, if you don't read it, it's not going to kill you. It's going to help you, though, if you have at least looked over it, and it will help you do the assignment. There is a second paper that will also help you, and it has to do with finding those weak terminators. And here is this paper, and it's going to also help you find at least one of those. And let's scroll down here and find the little picture. Here we go. So you might find, here's the Z to Y. This is the one they say is a weak terminator. So you can find that one as well, kind of telling you the answer. But the one between Y and A, you're kind of on your own. You can read about what they think in these two papers, and there are hints in here as to where the Y and A one are, and we will talk about this paper as well. We'll talk about both of them the next time we meet in class. So I'm going to upload the papers, and I'm going to also attach them to work with for you on the second assignment for this part 2. We're not doing a project yet, but we're still working on the lac operon. And what you will do is here with these papers, you will use these plus the other videos I've shown you how to use Eugene and mfold, and you will do an assignment finding both the strong terminators, the strong terminator in the I protein, the strong terminator at the end of A, and then the two weak terminators at between Z and Y, and between Y and A. So those are the 4 things you need to find for this next assignment, and use these papers to do that.